Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Let's discuss about the storage devices. Secondary storage device. A secondary storage device refers to any volatile storage device that is internal or external to the computer. It can be any storage device beyond the primary storage that enables the permanent storage of data. A secondary storage device is also known as auxiliary storage device or external storage. Some secondary storage devices are floppy disk, hard disk, magnetic tape. Floppy disk. A floppy disk or a diskette is a disk storage medium composed of thin and flexible magnetic storage medium sealed in a rectangular plastic carrier lined with fabric that removes dust particle. They are read and written by floppy disk drive. Figure shows the floppy disk. Floppy disk construction. A floppy disk is made up of circular, thin, mylar plastic material created with magnetic particles. Every magnetic particle holds one bit. The shutter with spring is present to avoid the dust particle from being deposited. Inserting inside the drive, the shutter opens, allows the magnetic media exposed to read or write head. Hub is a hole through which floppy disk is rotated by spindle or a stepper motor. Paper ring clean the disk by removing the microscopic bit of dust. As shown in the diagram, the construction of floppy disk, it having housing, paper ring, hub, shutter, magnetic disk, paper ring, spring and plastic flap and a read write protect tab. Types of floppy disk. According to the size, floppy disks are generally classified into 5.25 inch, 3.5 inch, a normal 3.5 inch. Another type is zip drive. It can store 100 megabytes, 250 megabytes or 750 megabytes of data on a single disk. Figure shows the diagram of floppy disk. Here, read write protect plastic tab is there, usable label for identification, sliding metal piece cover. It is a 3.5 inch floppy disk. Hard disk drive. It is also a storage device in a computer. It is a secondary storage device. It stores the data in the form of 0 and 1. The operating system, software, and the most of the files are stored on hard disk drive. It is invented by IBM in 1954. Nowadays, hard disks are available in 3.5 inch, 5.25 inch platters in different capacities such as 10 GB, 20 GB, 40 GB, and 80 GB. Components of hard disks are platters, disk case, read write head, cylinder, and spindle. See in the figure spindle, disk, save files, actuator, power port, data cable port, circuit board are hard disk which can remove the medium from one computer and carry to another computer is called portable disk. Hard disk stores data by two ways: longitudinal recording and perpendicular recording. Hard disk stores data using longitudinal recording, which align the magnetic particles horizontally around the surface of the disk. In a perpendicular recording, hard disk stores data using perpendicular recording, which align the magnetic particles vertically or perpendicular around the surface of the disk. Magnetic tape is a medium for magnetic recording made up of thin magnetizable coating on a long, narrow strip of plastic film. It was developed in Germany based on magnetic wire recording. Devices that record and play back audio and video using magnetic tape are tape recorders and videotape recorders. A device that stores computer data on a magnetic tape is a tape drive. The standing record for how much data magnetic tape could store is 29.5 GB per square inch. Long tape coated with magnetic material consists of 9 tracks. In a magnetic tape, parts are read write head. A byte of data is stored laterally. Data is stored and accessed as records. Thank you. Thanks for watching.